Hello everyone, hi, welcome to Glowing Fashion. And today we are up with English video. Why? Because we are our customers are facing little difficulty who are from other than AP and Telangana. So we thought, why can't we make an English video to make our customers feel comfortable, right? Why? Because the people who are from AP and Telangana, they are understanding very well. Who are rather than AP and Telangana, just some clarifications and some little doubts. So to make the customers feel free and also to make the customers feel comfortable in our channel, we are planning to have English videos weekly once. So I am up with the English video, and also I'll explain each and every details in English. First of all, our Glowing Fashion, we are the online store and we will deliver all over India. The products which you have will book above 500 bill will have free shipping. If you want single piece also, we will deliver, but you need to pay 60 shipping. If the bill is below 500, I'm clear, I think so. If the bill is below 500, you need to pay 60 shipping. Otherwise, you can have free shipping all over India. And also one thing, you can combine your products. Why? Because we have hair accessories, meenakari earrings, western earrings, and also bracelets, neck chains, etc, etc. So you can buy anything whichever you want. Just for top the free shipping, you need to have 500 bill, that's it. And also we will have a secure DTDC service, and also if there is no DTDC service at your end, we will send in postal speed post. And coming to opening video, it is mandatory to have opening video. Why? Because if there is any damage by anything else, we will within 1 hour we will refund your money. But we need opening video from starting of your courier. So from starting, when you are opening the box, like a courier box, or else opening the cover, from starting till the end, you need to have a opening video. And we will definitely upload an example of opening video soon in our channel. And also you need to show the products which are damaged in opening video itself. We don't accept 2 or 3 videos, we will accept only one from starting to till end. And also we won't accept the photos. We need clear picture of clear information in the video itself. Show us in the video itself, that's it. Thank you so much. We'll start our we'll start our video now. Okay, I am starting this video with the beautiful studs which I have wear. See how nice, how pretty. Very unique pieces. These pieces are just for 120 rupees. I'll just show you by opening. See, this is how it looks. Very pretty, no? And also in middle we have it's like flower design, and it is stud. Back is pushback and very weightless, no weight. And this is looking like a unique piece also. 1 minute. This is looking like a unique piece also. If you want this, just book. We have only 10 pieces left, only 120 rupees, just 120 rupees. And the coming to our neck chain, which is swing chain, which is very favorable and also which is very unique pieces. These are now in offer prices, just for 299. We are selling for 299, which is offer price. If you want, you can book. Only 10 pieces left in this also. Okay, next coming to studs. See, I have shown these studs in my Telugu video also. Now again I am showing these studs for you. Just for 120, you can have these studs. Total stone finish, if you observe clearly, total stone finish is there. And we have a number of colors in this. See the colors, grey color, maroon color, and green color. Black I have shown earlier, light green and dark green available. And this color is like pastel color. So if you want anything, any color from this, just make a screenshot and send to our WhatsApp number. I will display on the screen our WhatsApp number as well. so that you can place your order all over India. We have shipping all over India. Okay, next we'll move to another studs. At first today I'm starting the video with the studs, then we'll move to big meenakari earrings as well. See, very pretty the earring and also the stone finish, the quality, which is like extraordinary pieces just for 149. See, if we I'm placing here, see the look, which is extraordinary. See, observe the quality also, how the piece is looking. A full stone finish. Yeah, definitely you can go with this just for 149. I'm so much happy to receive many customers from Kerala, love from Kerala and also Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much. Why? Because the people who are AP and Telangana, or the people I am doing videos on Telugu, right? So definitely AP and Telangana people that can understand, but the people who are other than AP and Telangana, they some people they can't understand Telugu, right? But also they are contacting me and also placing the orders. Very thankful to that. See this. We have many colors in this. Red, pretty, very pretty. Tomato red. If you want, you can place this order. And we can't restock them. Why? Because there are day to day they are updating these models, right? See this, very nice. And we have colors also. I'll show the colors fastly. So we'll see the colors. Maroon, this color green. We had different colors available. Black I have already shown you. Just ping me in WhatsApp so I can send you available colors. If you want these earrings, just make a screenshot, just buzz me in WhatsApp, so I will send you available colors, photos and also with prices. So we have these many colors available in these, so just make a screenshot and send me. Okay, next we'll move to another stud. This also same price 149, which is very unique, and also many colors are there. If you can observe, we have many colors in this as well. It's tomato red, many colors available, so book fastly. Why? Because restocking the product is very much difficult, and also backside we have pushback. Why? Because day to day we are our day to day these products are changing. Why? Because I am telling you, the same repeated design is not available. Either restock will take more time, so it's better to have early. And one of the best pieces in meenakari for festive seasons. Why? Christmas is coming, right? And also January 1st, Sankranti. So for people who like the heavy earrings, for pairing up for saris and all, these earrings will be perfect. We have lengthy earring and also with less weight, no problem with the weight. You can handle it for 12 hours definitely. This piece is in offer. Actually this piece is for 399, but in offer it is for 350. So make sure you grab the offer. See, the length is more but the weight is less. So you can go this with your like a functional, for functions, for festivals. Why? Because we can't make this studs and all for functions, right? For functions or else for festivals we need to be very unique and also very ethnic. So you can pair this for functions and also for festivals, anything else, for marriages, etc, etc. See this, very nice, very pretty. And also we have some changes of color. Here we got, you can observe here we got red color, right? So in this we got light pink. This is not visible also, I think. I will open the piece. So you can observe the light color, light pink or else light onion color. This is also just for 350. And one more color like green color. We have one more color, green. So if you want, you can go with this green also. And lastly we have one more color, that is blue. I'll show you. This is blue color. If you want, you can go with this. Just a little bit color change. There is no more color change. Why? Because they have given just like here, like paint. So we have only little color change. Everything is like gold color only. Earring full is like gold color only. Very unique piece and also very much satisfied. If a person likes to pair up with the sari, ethnics. So if you have this heavy long jhumka, you can pair your neck simply like this with the swing chain. Why? Because pairing with heavy jhumka and heavy neck set will not look nice, I think so, in my view. So if you are pairing with this, you can make this very simple. So you can balance everything, right? Okay, we are done with this. And next, this also very nice product. Just for 299. Very lightweight and also you can see very unique pieces, different pieces you can't get in market. See, here also same thing. Here we have red color meenakari. This is green. So you will change just here you will change rest or same. And red I have shown you earlier, and this is onion color. Same here changes will be happen. Green, red, onion color. That's it. Only 3 colors available in this. So you can go with whatever you like. So just for 299. Make sure to buy. We have only left with 2 boxes, means 24 pieces. We can't restock them. Please try to understand. After completion of products, people are asking to restock, but these products are catalog products and these are imported from other countries like Korea. So we can't make sure to repeat the products. We can't get. If they are restocked in manufacturing unit only, definitely we'll get. But it will take time. That's the thing. So very pretty earring just for 299. Less weight and which is used for very traditional pattern. We have colors in this. Look at this black, very pretty. Baby pink, exactly matching with my dress. We have 4 colors and 4 pieces only left. So please make sure to buy quickly. 4 colors and only 4 pieces available. These 4 pieces only available, 4 colors only available. Thank you so much. And we'll move to another piece. And now in meenakari, for this video I am showing last piece. Next we'll move to western. One of the craziest pieces. Many people purchased and they are very much satisfied with the piece and also how the design is. Very unique design, and also if you are pairing this, just will look like a very unique, and also it is center of attraction for any festivals and functions, right? Very unique piece. If you want, you can purchase this just for 370, and also we have received very good feedback on this also. So we have left with only some pieces. Yellow color is available. green, grey, black, one more piece available, red, one more piece, pink, and red, one more piece. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pieces are available, guys. So make sure to purchase fastly these and all. Okay, such a nice piece, literally very nice. And also you can observe the quality, how literally very nice quality also when coming to quality. And we have nearly 1 2 3 4 steps in it, and also very pretty. Okay, next we'll move to western. In western I am showing you one of the best piece, and also we have launched it recently. This is recently we have launched, and we haven't shown in the YouTube video, just WhatsApp video we have launched. So this is the earring from Korea imported. You can observe how it very less weight, it looks like this, and very nice earrings just for 299. See this, wow, super earring, very nice. And back side it will come like this, very nice earring. And also this is like this. In this we have colors, red color available, full colors we have, violet color, green available, yellow available. 1 2 3 4 5 colors available right now. So if you want, book these products. So send me screenshot, I'll send all the colors photos. And one of the craziest earring, we have restocked this third time. This is the one. If you can observe, if you can go through our videos, for second video, third video, we have shown this when we have launched this, and we have good response. We received good response on this. Literally very nice, just for 299. Now we have restocked, and also we are done in WhatsApp itself. We have left with only 3 pieces. In WhatsApp group itself, it has been finished. Just 1 week back we have received this, just for 299. Only 3 colors available, 3 pieces available. So book fastly. Okay, next we'll go to these earrings, second time restock. And also many people last time they haven't received. Why? Because we received only less quantity, and the customers liked this product very much. Very pretty. Now we have full quantity and also full colors. If you want, so place your order, 299 only. So we have colors also. I'll show you the colors. So we'll finish the video quickly. Why? Because it is more than 20 minutes, I think. See these 2 colors. This is black, very pretty, very nice. And this is grey. I'm showing all the colors. And which is white. We can't get white earrings like this, white stone and white, totally white. So you can go with this for long frocks, maxi dresses, etc. These colors are available, means totally 6 colors. So make sure to buy without reaching out of stock. So again, I'm just telling you one thing. Butterfly earrings are back. So just 150 rupees. All colors are available. If you are interested to buy, please make sure to buy. We have received 50 pieces butterfly earrings. This is light pink. This is white butterfly. This is yellow. This is it's like a blue. No, green, black. Extraordinary piece. Many people love these butterfly earrings, literally. And also in studs, in western studs, this is one item we have received along with this. This is 120. This is also 120. If you want, you can place this order. So butterfly earrings, we have like many colors. These, see, red color available, and this is pink, light pink, green available, and white available, black available, yellow. 6 color chart available, and we have nearly 50 pieces. And this is the last western piece I am showing you. Yellow. This is the second time restock, guys. Why? Because we received good response in this earring also, so we have restocked it. So this is the thing, 299 each piece. We have colors. In yellow we had 2. Here one color, here multi stone. 2 yellows, 1 black, lavender color which is very pretty, and English color also. White. For white also we have received a multi. Stone is multi. So in this and all, in this we have these many colors, guys. So make sure to purchase fastly. So sorry. Black, yellow, this yellow with multi, white with multi, lavender color, and okay, this I have already shown you, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching, and also we will definitely try to make English videos like weekly ones, that definitely, and or otherwise 10 days once. Everything depends upon our free time. And also make sure to subscribe our channel. So don't worry, just if you like the product, just make a screenshot and send us to the WhatsApp, so I'll contact with you in English. So there is no problem with the language in our glowing fashion. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care, happy Sunday, bye bye.